Have you ever imagined a PC that could do it all? Top-tier 1440p gaming, smooth 4K editing, flawless live streaming, and stay future-proof. All for just 1.25 lakhs Indian rupee? Well, my man, you don't have to imagine anymore. Here's the ultimate build guide. CPU, Ryzen 5 9600X, a 6-core monster with Zen 5 efficiency. Perfect balance of gaming plus productivity. GPU, RTX 5070, the king of price to performance, crushing 1440p at ultra settings and ready for streaming. RAM, 32 gigabytes DDR5, running at blazing fast 6000 MHz, giving you buttery, smooth multitasking. Motherboard, Gigabyte B850 Gaming X Wi-Fi 6E, packed with features, future AM5 support, and insane connectivity. Storage, WD Blue SN 5000 SSD, super fast NVMe, loads your games and projects in seconds. PSU, MSI Mag A750GL, fully modular, rock-solid stability for upgrades down the line. Cooler, Deepcool AG620, keeping temps low even during intense gaming or rendering. Case, Cooler Master Elite 681, sleek design, airflow beast, and plenty of room to grow. This PC isn't just for today, it's built for the future. Whether it's gaming, streaming, or creating, it won't break a sweat. So if you're planning your dream build around 1.25 lakhs Indian rupee, this is the one that